What if I told you that artificial intelligence is not just a tool for progress but a weapon wielded by shadowy figures in power? Imagine a world where AI is not just about self-driving cars, virtual assistants, or even medical advancements. It's a world where AI is deeply woven into the fabric of our daily lives, from the way we communicate to the decisions we make. Now think about this. We know that governments around the globe are investing heavily in AI research and development. It's public knowledge that AI is used for surveillance and security, to predict behavior, and even to manipulate public sentiment. These applications have already raised eyebrows and ignited debates. But what if that's just the tip of the iceberg? What if the real power of AI, its most profound and potentially disturbing applications, are still hidden from us? What if there's more to the story? What if the real applications of AI are still hidden from the public eye? Buckle up as we delve deep into the unknown, uncovering classified projects and secret experiments. This journey takes us into the heart of a world where artificial intelligence isn't just a tool, but a weapon, shrouded in secrecy and hidden agendas. Imagine a scenario where governments harness the power of AI to control the narrative, to sway public opinion, to manipulate the masses. It's not a far-fetched idea. History is littered with instances of governments using technology for their own ends. The advent of AI has simply given them a new tool to play with. Take, for instance, the alleged misuse of AI in surveillance. There are whispers of AI being used to monitor citizens, to track their movements, to invade their privacy. And what about the use of AI in warfare? Autonomous drones, AI-guided missiles, the list goes on. The potential for misuse is vast, and the ethical implications are immense. Let's delve into another theory. The creation of a super AI, an entity so powerful that it could potentially control all other AI. It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? But consider this. The rapid advancement of AI technology is leading us towards a future where this could be a reality. Who's to say that such a project isn't already underway, hidden deep within the confines of a top-secret government facility? And then there's the theory of AI-induced job displacement. The idea that governments are secretly pushing AI development to replace human labor, leading to widespread unemployment. It's a terrifying thought, but one that's not entirely baseless. We've already seen the impact of automation on certain industries. Is it really that hard to believe that this could be part of a larger plan? These are not just theories spun out of thin air. They are based on real-life examples of AI misuse and mishaps. They are cries for transparency, for accountability, for ethical AI development. These are not simply theories. These are warning signs. The question is, are we listening? In the pursuit of power and control, have we crossed a line? This question hangs heavy in the air as we delve into the murky waters of the ethical implications of AI. You see, AI, like any tool or technology, is a double-edged sword. It can be wielded for good, driving progress and innovation, or it can be misused, becoming a weapon of manipulation and control. Imagine an AI so advanced, it could predict your every move, every thought. It's like a chess grandmaster, always 10 steps ahead. In the wrong hands, this could spell disaster. The potential dangers and consequences of AI misuse are not just alarming, they're downright terrifying. And that's why the need for transparency and accountability in AI development is of paramount importance. We need to know who's pulling the strings and for what purpose. We need to ensure that this powerful tool is being used responsibly, ethically. The stakes are high, and the consequences could be dire. We need to demand transparency and accountability. We've asked the tough questions. Now it's time to demand answers. We live in an age of rapid technological advancement, an era where artificial intelligence has seeped into the very fabric of our existence. But what happens when this power is wielded by those who operate from the shadows, those who pull the strings from behind the curtain? It's crucial for us to remain informed, to question, to probe, to dissect the very nature of our reality. We must insist on transparency from our governments, demand ethical use of artificial intelligence, and challenge the status quo. Your voice matters. Your questions matter. The future of AI is not just in the hands of a select few, it's in ours, in yours, in the collective will of the people. Ignorance isn't bliss, it's a ticking time bomb. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and remember to hit that subscribe button for more eye-opening investigations into the unseen world of AI.